guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Jason and you're now tuned into I Speak Geek. So the company ProtoArc actually sent me this mouse out. This is a RGB wireless mouse. It does have 4 backlit colors and that appeals to probably all the gamers out there. This is an ergonomic mouse, so there is like a trackball. So hopefully this reduces strain whenever you're on your computer all day, whether it's through gaming or just regular productivity. So without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this and I'm gonna get it set up. Let's all see what comes in the package. Okay, so you actually get a wireless dongle. The mouse itself. Do get a cable. It is USB-C to USB-A. Let's see if there's anything else in here. And you get a user manual. So here is the mouse itself. It's a decent size. I could definitely have some girth to it compared to the mouse that I was using before. I was using an MX Master 3. So it's a lot bigger than the mouse that I was using, but that definitely allows your hands to spread out. And of course you got the trackball there on the side. You do have multiple buttons there. And I am hoping that these buttons are mappable. Looks like it's, might have, see if it has any juice in it. It does. Look at those colors. Okay, let me go ahead and set this up and give you my thoughts. Okay, so I got this paired up with my PC and it is relatively fast to set up. And I noticed that these buttons on the side actually are for the RGB color for the mouse. It lets you rotate to the different colors depending on what you like. And of course you have different profiles that you can pair this with multiple machines, up to 3 machines. And there are different angles for how you have the mouse. So right now I have it all the way laying flat, but you can change the angles on the side if that makes it a lot better for you. And ProtoArc is a company known for ergonomic peripherals, keyboards, mice. So if you're working from home, this is something you might want to consider because, and especially if you have tight spaces that you work in, you having a trackball mouse, that way you're not moving all over your desk and your arm's not getting constantly tired from moving around. So it's a pretty solidly built mouse. There's a forward and back button. You can change the modes with the mouse wheel. And like I said, it's a pretty solidly built mouse. And thank you to ProtoArc for sending this out. And if you're in the market, I would say take a look at this, you know, especially if you're working from home, long hours, scrolling around with your mouse, or if you're into gaming, you could definitely use this mouse. And those are just some of my thoughts about it. And thank you for watching. This is Jason, and you just tuned into I Speak Geek. Peace.